7. And you're with Andrew and Georgie this morning. Now, do you know what day it is today? Of course, it's the first of the month, isn't it? It's May Day. Not necessarily a day we all have down in our calendar to do something special, but for our next guest, it's full of tradition.
What a great name, the Buttercroft Bells. Susan Wright is one of them. She'll tell us what they do and who they are. What I'll tell you is they've been up since 4 this morning.
Really?
They're absolutely crackers. What have you been doing, Susan? Good morning.
Good morning. Good morning. We've been dancing on the Otley Chevin at where we started at 4:15 this morning, and we were there when the sun came up at about 5:30.
Did anybody see you, Susan?
Only the other teams that were there.
Now, when you say teams,
Oh,
what
right.
are you and what were you doing then? So you're dancing up there. What sort of dancing is this?
It's Morris dancing. We're a ladies' team that dances Northwest style Morris. We were joined by another ladies' team, Brigate ladies, and they dance again a Northwest style Morris. And we're also joined by Ways Goose, which are another side from Otley that dance Border Morris.
Now, clearly we've got a lot of learning to do here.
Yes.
So Northwest Morris, I mean, what is Northwest Morris as distinct from any other sort of Morris?
Right, well, Northwest Morris is a more modern type of dance, Morris dancing. It stems from the Lancashire Mills and traditionally tends to be danced mainly by women, but there are quite a few men's sides.
Rings on your fingers, bells on your toes?
We have bells on our toes, and quite a few of us have rings on our fingers.
Oh,
Listen
hello.
to that.
She's just shaked her bells at you.
She's in the posh seats waving a jewellery around this
Yeah.
morning. Susan Wright is one of the Buttercroft Bells. She's live on BBC Radio Leeds and Andrew and Georgie this May Day morning, 5 to 7 now.
Susan, why do you do this?
It's one of the traditions. It goes back centuries in our history that people have welcomed in the spring and danced and done various things to ensure a good harvest come September. And we just feel it's important to keep these traditions going, which is why we'll be maypole dancing this evening.
I heard the reason you're doing it is actually to get a bacon butty now that you've done the dancing. Is that true?
We've had our bacon butties, thank you very much. Sandra, who is also a member of the side, has very kindly fed us all, so we're all well fed as well now.
Now, you're near a place I know well, which is the Royalty Pub up there, and then you mentioned the maypole.
Yeah.
Presumably that's not right up on the top of the Chevin. Where are you doing the maypole stuff?
Maypole will be in Otley itself, opposite the Civic Hall, and we'll be starting at 5:30 this afternoon with the children.
That's brilliant. It's a nice thing to do. You're going to be exhausted by the end of all of this, aren't
We
you?
will, yes, but we enjoy it.
Brilliant. And are you going to do a normal day's work in the middle of all of this, Susan?
I'm not, but some of our people are, yes. So,
How many are there altogether? I mean, do you sort of try and get as many as you can, or do you have a set number for your Northwest Morris dancing that you need up there on the Chevin?
most of our dances we need a minimum of 8 people. Some of them we can do for 10 or 12. 1 or 2 we can do for 6. But some of the dances we do, we can actually have the whole team. So we have had 20 people dancing, and hopefully this evening there will be 20 of us dancing around the maypole in Otley.
And what was the turnout this morning?
I can't remember. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many? 13.
Oh, very good. Unlucky for some, but not for you.
Well,
Now,
Sullivan's a musician.
very good. Susan, do you wield the pig's bladder, or does that not exist anymore?
No, we don't. But there is a team in Leeds. The Leeds Morris men have a fool who does wield a bladder. Yes.
And why don't you?
Because it's not part of. It's more the Cotswold teams and the Border teams.
Georgie, really?
Sorry.
Don't be
Sorry.
completely
Oh,
different,
no,
really.
I should have known.
She just doesn't know her Morris dancing fundamentals.
Well, all I know, if you don't do it right, you'll fall off the bonnet.
We have had a text this morning to say it's not only Holy Thursday, but it is Beltane, the pagan festival of fertility.
There we
The
go.
female aspect is at her most fertile today,
Oh,
apparently.
you see, Mum's advice.
It's all part of the pagan tradition.
And the Buttercroft Bells, what a great name, Sue.
Yes.
Don't you think?
Yes. Well, the Buttercross bells. There is a Buttercross in Otley, of course. And bells shows that we are a female team. We're all girls who dance.
Well, I think it sounds as though you've had a great deal of fun as well. And a bacon sarnie and the maypole this evening.
Yeah.
It takes a lot of beating, that.
What time did you get up, Susan?
3:30.
Oh, ouch. You should have given Andrew a ring, he'd have been up then.
Susan, great to speak to you, and I hope the rest of the day goes well.
And anybody who'd like to come and see us, more than welcome this evening outside the Civic Hall around the Maypole.
5:30.
5:30.
Brilliant. Thank you very much indeed.